come on to the question, then we will understand that what are these things all about. Okay, now the question is that explain one strength and the one limitation of using the qualitative secondary research. Again, stick to the marking scheme of question 4 and of question for the marks number 4 and marks number 8. Stick with the marking scheme of that particular marks questions. Now come on to part B. Let's try to understand what this question is all about. Question is saying that explain one strength and the one limitation of using the qualitative secondary data in the sociological research. So what I did, I wrote the marking scheme directly. You can say the copy paste, but in just an easy words. And the marking scheme said that 3 marks for the strength and 3 marks for the limitation. So what you have to do again, just identify and explain, and then conclude it to link it with the question that why it is strength. Again, what we will do, 1 mark you will get to identify, 1 mark you will get to explain your identification, and 1 mark you will conclude it. Okay, and prove that how this is strength and how this is limitation. This is how you would be able to get 3 marks in the strength, and same process will go for the limitations. Got it? Okay, straight away come on to the question, and question is saying that explain one strength and the one limitation of the qualitative secondary data in the sociological research. Let's talk about the strength. So what I am saying, I am writing straight away strength. Okay, so qualitative secondary data, let's say I'm starting from here. Qualitative secondary data, qualitative secondary data such as historical documents, or personal diaries, can provide rich, in-depth insights into social context, for example, diaries can offer personal reflection or events, contributing to. Now I'm concluding it. Okay, I give an explanation. Now I'm just going to conclude it. Contributing to high level of validity in understanding the subjective experience. in understanding the subjective experience. Now come on to directive limitation. Then I will take your question. Limitations. A significant limitation is the difficulty a significant limitation is the difficulty in verifying the credibility of such data, in verifying the credibility of such data. For example, historical documents may not historical data or documents may not be compete or may have been changed Now just concluding it, leading to potential biasness or biases in the research finding. Now that's become a limitation, because whenever we collect the secondary data, let's say the historical one, so you know that history is very manipulated. So whatever the results we got from the historical documents or the historical data, it will definitely affect the research findings. So this is how you have to answer that questions. Keep in mind that conclude these 3 headings into just 4 lines, and make sure that do not spend more than 7 to 8 minutes on that question. For the 8 marks, you need to spend 8 to 10 minutes. So this is something you have to keep in mind for first 2 questions.